Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a corn recipe, and now this is something that I have had outside and I've always wondered, how do I make this at home? So I'm going to show you guys how to make crispy corn. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the crispy corn, first I'm going to season the corn with some salt and pepper. Next, add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Just toss the corn and make sure it's all coated well. Now I'm just going to drizzle a little water just to make it moist so that the corn flour sticks to the corn well. Pour some oil into a kadai. Once the oil is hot, start slowly dropping the coated corn kernels into the hot oil. After frying corn kernels, I'm going to make this a little more flavorful by adding a few ingredients to it, starting with chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, spring onion whites, finely chopped capsicum, and some finely chopped spring onion greens. Squeeze some lemon juice into it. Gently mix everything together. You can add the seasoning ingredients as per your taste. Once you've mixed all the ingredients into the corn, make sure you serve it immediately. This crispy corn is a corn lover's delight. You can either have it as a starter or as a snack. So do try this recipe and enjoy it with your family. You can get a copy of our first edition of the Home Cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.